Hello. Human beings are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. There are a lot of debate about this. So let us discuss scientifically, spiritually and with direct evidence what is in reality. Scientifically, if we'll discuss, first we'll see the mouth. The non-vegetarian organism has very wide mouth in relation to head. The vegetarian organism has very small mouth. So the human being fits to small mouth in relation to head. So it goes more in favor of vegetarian organism. Now coming to teeth, non-vegetarian organism has got sharp and pointed teeth, whether the vegetarian has got flat teeth. So the human being has got both pointed teeth in the form of canine and few flat teeth also. So here the human being fits to both non-vegetarian and vegetarian organism. Coming to saliva in the oral cavity, the non-vegetarian organism do not have any enzyme in the saliva, but the vegetarian organism has got saliva in the form of salivary amylase. The human being has got this salivary amylase in the saliva. So again it goes more towards vegetarian organism. Now the stomach size and intestine size, the non-vegetarian animals has got very big stomach, almost 60 to 70% of the digestive tract, and small intestine, 3 to 6 times of the body. But the vegetarian organism has got small stomach and the intestine is very large, 10 to 12 times of our body, which is also equivalent to the human being. So again human being going towards more vegetarian animals. Coming to the stomach content, acid. In these acid are very strong with pH less than 1 in non-vegetarian organism, which kills the bacteria, parasite and all. The vegetarian organism has got pH 4 to 5, less severe, and the human being fits to this category. So again it goes more in the favor of vegetarian organism. So coming to spirituality, in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17.10, Lord Krishna is telling, putrid and decomposed food, those are non-vegetarian food, are called tamasic food, usually preferred by the person in the mode of ignorance. That means human being also can take non-vegetarian diet. This is also supported by other Vedic literature also. So human being can take non-vegetarian diet. Now the most important is the direct evidence. So in the direct evidence, if you observe the human being, human behavior, you can see human likes both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. And if somebody takes vegetarian or non-vegetarian food, there is no problem at all. So this indicates that human being is neither pure vegetarian nor pure non-vegetarian. He can be both. So this is called omnivorous organism. He can take both veg and non-veg. So from scientific, spiritual and direct evidence, it is clear that human being is a omnivorous organism which can take both non-vegetarian and vegetarian diet. So this is not the end of this discussion. There is a second part of this discussion. In this second part, why many people insist on human being to take vegetarian food? Please go to the Vedic literature, Bhagavad Gita, verse 17.8, 9 and 10. God has described and classified the food into 3 different categories, Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Sattvic food are the food of goodness. These are the juicy, salty, whole foods and fresh foods. When somebody will take it, it increases the duration of life, make the life healthy and happier. Rajasic food or food of passion are sour, salty and more spicy food, pungent food. When you will take it, it increases the distress, misery and the disease. Tamasic food are the worst kind of fruit which are decomposed, putrid, non-touchable things, which are mainly the non-vegetarian food. This also causes disease, shorten the lifespan. So these are the description of different foods and these are the effect of different foods in our body. So this is up to you which food you will choose and accordingly you will get the life. So now the question is, why God has given this option to the human being only? Because Human being has much higher brain in comparison to other animals and plants. That is the reason he has got option to choose good and bad. But thing is that nature always wants human being to be in the mode of goodness, to take food of goodness also. Otherwise, nature will take care of it and forced to do it by introducing different diseases in the form of swine flu, bird flu, coronavirus. So automatically it will stop everything. So take the food of goodness to have healthy life. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.